Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal debit card. First, let's cover the basics. To be eligible, you'll need a verified PayPal account in good standing. This means your identity and address have been confirmed. You also need a valid mailing address in the United States where the card can be sent. Meeting these initial requirements is the crucial first step before you can apply for your new card. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, applying for the card is straightforward. Log into your PayPal account and head over to the Wallet section. There, you'll find an option to apply for the PayPal Debit MasterCard. Click on this, and you'll be guided through a simple application form. You'll need to provide some personal details, so have those ready. The process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Great news, your card has arrived. The next step is activation. You can easily activate your new PayPal Debit MasterCard either online through your account or by calling the number provided with the card. Once activated, your PayPal balance is automatically linked, allowing you to spend directly. For even more convenience, consider setting up direct deposit to add funds from your paycheck directly to your PayPal account, ready for use. Now for the best part, using your new card. The PayPal Debit MasterCard comes with fantastic benefits, including no monthly fees. Plus, you can earn 1% cash back on eligible purchases, which is a nice bonus. Use your card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, whether you're shopping online or in physical stores. You can also access your funds at ATMs worldwide using your 4-digit PIN. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.